Two glass bulbs A and B at the same temperature are connected by a very small tube having a stopcock. Bulb A has a volume of 100 centimeter cube and contained the gas, while bulb B was empty. On opening the stopcock, the pressure fell down to 20%. Volume of bulb B is. So this is our bulb A. Okay. They're saying that it's connected to another bulb B by a small tube. Bulb A has a volume of 100 centimeter cube, or let's let it remain in centimeter cube, and the volume of bulb B has to be found. They are both at the same temperature, and bulb B is initially empty. So when the stopcock is opened, which was blocking this way, the pressure fell down to 20%. Now find the volume of bulb. So basically we can say that when the stopcock was closed, the equation PV is equal to nRT had T as the temperature and N as the number of moles inside this bulb. R was a constant and V was 100 centimeter cube. And P was whatever the pressure at that situation was. However, when the bulb is opened, the volume changes. So there's a new pressure and there's a new volume and nRT. The number of moles of the gas are still the same because we've not leaked the gas anywhere. Now our total control volume is this. And therefore, the number of moles inside this volume is a constant. And the temperature, since of both the bulbs is same, this is also a constant. So we can simply apply P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, right? So let's do that. Now P1 is, if considered to be P0, they have said that the pressure fell down to 20%, which means that P2 is 20% of P0, or we can say 0.2 P0. So when we plug in these values, P0 into V1 is 100 and P2 is 0.2 P0 and V2. And if you analyze this particular situation, it is very logical that the pressure should drop, because if you think of any kind of gas, if it is stored in a particular volume and suddenly its volume is increased, the pressure exerted by the gas would decrease, right? So P0 gets cancelled out from both the sides and V0 comes out to be 100 by 0.2, which is 1000 divided by 2, which is 500. So therefore, the volume final comes out to be 500 centimeter cube. However, we have been asked about the volume of bulb 2. This volume is V1 plus V2. It is the final volume, correct? So we'll have to subtract the volume of V1 from this expression. V1 was 100 centimeter cube. Subtracting it, we get 400 centimeter cube as V2. So our answer becomes option D.